welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Roxy Tyrell, Mad Bad Gal, Roxy Tyrell. And if it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and subscribe and stay a while. Well, okay, today, man, we finna do a Lovelywholesale Tryon. You know, like a 1, 2, 3 piece or something. Because from my last island, if they send me the rest of my stuff and them never send it. So I'm just showing you guys these couple of pieces when we get in the hour. It's supposed to be on full pack. But you know, things and time, stuff happens. So yeah. So make sure you guys subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. I'm watching you, yeah, boo. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and comment. Watch the ads them that do help out the channel. You guys interaction also help the channel out a lot. So like, comment, share, all of them something there. It will, you know, push my video to get more views and all of that. Something that, you know, for me rambling. Let's go ahead and get into this haul, you guys. So I'm using the remote. I have 3 remote. This have my camera, them 2 off of my phone. So I'm recording on my phone. I don't know how to use my camera as good as, you know what I say, but yeah. So this is the first item. It's this lovely 2-piece. I love it, man. These color, whoever put these colors together is dope. So right here is like a little tie, little looking thing. I have a sports bra on right now, you guys. I didn't want to take it off, but yeah, this is this. The sleeves is okay. It doesn't itch. It doesn't have a scent. The material seems like it will give me a couple of wear. But yeah, I love it, you guys. So this is this. Now how I will dress this up, let me show y'all. Cause listen, we finna do a little photo shoot, fashion shoot, whatever. Fashion show, that's it. So if you guys watch one of my hauls, I did pick up these heels from Tryin, so I will throw these on. Now as far as a bag, I will put a solid color bag on. It doesn't really matter. It could be one of these colors. It could be like a clear, white, a blue, orange. Me personally, I would love an orange bag. But I don't have an orange bag, but whatever. So I got this from Lovelywholesale in one of my Lovelywholesale accessory bag. So it's like a white bag with a gun. Come on, of course it is a gun. So like this. I don't know if you could see the full fit, but I'll rock this together. You feel me? If not this bag, I would rock a blue. So I got this from one of my Tryin haul, y'all. Really cute. It has a heart for Roxanne, but my friend was like for rich. But whichever way you want to do it. So yeah, this is super cute. I like it. Instagram baddie, no. But yeah, this to me is super cute. I don't know where I'm going in this. Me personally, I will wear the top definitely with like some high-waisted jeans and my nice little heels and, you know, my purse, and I'm gone. Hello. The shorts are nice. Like me personally, I would love to wear these shorts with like a white crop top and something, you know what I'm saying? But either way, it's still cute, you know. Oh, my glasses are from Tryin, boo. I purchased 2 glasses, and while I was bringing it upstairs, one of them fell, and probably somebody take it, I don't know. But yeah. So yeah, you guys, this is for this first item, y'all. Woo woo. Always in time. Gave you my baby, be mine. I'm like always there when you call, but I'm always in time. Gave you my baby. Okay, you guys, so this is the next fit. If you couldn't tell, I'm feeling myself. Now this is a top. I got 2 of these. Let me tell you, in Jamaica people love chatuna, but yeah, I did. So me have to show up on camera, so I told them again, so I told them again. Boom. I got one for me, one for the bestie, okay? So the top is a little bit itchy for me. I don't like stuff that itch, but yeah. This is a top. I love it. It's just a black tee with this beautiful print. It's like a teddy bear with some eggs green. So, and I also got this, what you call this, comeback pants. It's like a jogger thingy. I love it, low-key. I thought I ordered 2 of them, but I guess I ordered 1 because me and my bestie was gonna, you know, match. And then I paired these with my Air Jordan 1. This is me, comfy, minus the itchy shirt. I need to wash it. But yeah, this is me. This is comfortable for me. Some people don't like that, but hey, you can't live your life for everybody. They'll be like, ooh, you a stud? I'm a stud? How does this outfit define me as being a stud? Like, help me comprehend that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this. Me personally, I love being comfortable, and this, for me, is comfy. Not every day I want to put heels on, okay? So, yeah. But this is the next outfit, y'all. I love it. Okay, you guys, so this is the next fit. It's this really cute 2-piece boot. And I pair it with the little blue bag, girl. And I put them same heels on, girl. It's a look. I'm sorry. And you see sis getting, yes, boo. We working out over here, boo. Ain't no lazy over here, boo-boo. We working out. And these shades match perfectly. You know what I'm saying? What's up? Let's go to brunch, because I'm feeling brunchy right now. What's up? Don't you? Oh, I thought you said something about me, boo.